Samsung has finally launched its most awaited smartphones under S series globally called Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, with updated AI features. Among these three models in the series, the Galaxy S26 stands out as the most affordable option, with premium features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Galaxy S26 smartphone. The new Galaxy S26 boasts a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus dynamic LTPO2X AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Exynos 2600 chipset, or Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset in some selected region. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 4 storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy S26 sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting up to 8K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and it can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 4,300 mAh battery with 25 watts wired fast charging support and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 out of the box, with One UI 8.5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 149.6 by 71.7 by 7.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 167 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy S26 has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in cobalt violet, sky blue, black, white, silver shadow, and pink gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy S26 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.